Let's do this model step by step. Today we are going to learn about revolve boss base command in Solidworks. Let's see how it works. When would we use revolve boss base command? For example, when the material is revolves around a center axis, then we can go with revolve boss base command. For example, turning jobs. If you observe, the name itself have revolve means the material should revolve around center line. Let's see with an example. So to use revolve boss base, we need a center line. So draw with me. So let's give dimensions, and this is radius and this is diameter. So I have 76 here and I have 92 here. This is 114 and this is 150 and this is 158 and this is 250 and this is 182 and they should be outside, and this diameter is 124. So let's give vertical dimensions, escape, and now this is 20 and here to here is 54 and this step is 10 and this is 95. We forgot to give this diameter and this is 220 and the total height is 150 plus 120 and this is 20 and this step is 6. So everything is constrained except this. So let's delete this one. Take arc, 3-point arc, and draw 2 arcs here and here to here. Select this point and make it tangent, make it tangent, make it tangent, and this is 26 and this is 25. Let's coincide this with this. Okay, our sketch is completely defined now. Let's exit. So I need 360 degrees, so default value is 360. If we want 180 means let's it will come like this. Off, this is the starting point where we draw the sketch, then this angle starts from there. 90 means 1/4. So I want 360 degrees. I forgot to give fillets here. Let's edit it. Take fillet command and default value I have 10 only, and this 10, this is 10. We can select the point else and this line and this line. Okay, and I have radius of 5 here, okay, and exit. Let's take a plane, take this plane and give on 160. Okay, and take a sketch and draw one circle here, circle of diameter. Give this diameter is 108 and give the center of the circle and bottom edge is 150. Let's exit and select the extrude boss, and here we can use up to surface or up to next also. Okay, if we use up to surface, then we need to select the surface Okay, now select this face, draw the circle at this center. If we don't see this center, let just move the cursor to this edge and we see the center of that extrude boss. Let's draw the diameter of 120 and exit extrude boss and change to blind, and the direction should be outside, and this is 20. Okay, and again select this face and draw at the center same as we done before, and this is 76. Let's cut this one with extrude cut. Change this blind to up to next, so I want the cut to this surface only, so that's why I select this one. If I select through all, it will come outside, so I don't want that. That's okay. So add fillet here, fillet of 10, and this is okay. Click OK. So almost completed, but holes to be added on this face and this face and this face. Let's make it. The PCD of this holes is given 204 on this face. Draw horizontal line and take the circle, and the hole diameter is given 18. Take a circular pattern, and I want 6 holes around this center, so select this one and increase to 6. Click OK. Okay, now it is constrained. Go to extrude cut and give blind of thickness 20 mm. Click OK and select this face and add, and here the PCD is given for the holes 180. Let's draw here one circle, the 18.5 diameter hole, and make it circular pattern of 6. Increase to 6 and click OK. Go to extrude cut and keep it 20 only, and select this face, and from this center point draw one circle, and this is the PCD of 6 holes, 8 of dia 18.5, and this PCD also 180, and draw here one circle and make it pattern. This is also 18.5, and go to circular. I need this entry to pattern over this point. Increase to 6, and see here, this is the center point of this pattern, and this is the center point of this. I need pattern around this point, make it both points coincide. Press Ctrl and select both points and make it coincide. Now it is constrained. Go to extrude cut and give that value 20 and click OK. So now it is completed. If you want to add appearance, go to this icon and select the color what you like. If you want to change the environment, go to this icon, last button, apply scene. Click on the arrow beside that icon. We see some environments plain white. Please share my channel and subscribe. Okay, bye. Tata.